Imagine our universe is like a vast cosmic playground, and each decision or event creates a new path to explore. Welcome to the Multiverse Theory, a mind-expanding concept proposed by some of the greatest minds in theoretical physics. According to this theory, every time you make a choice, like deciding what to eat for breakfast or which road to take, a new universe branches off, creating a different reality where each possible choice is played out. To make it clearer, think of it as a choose-your-own-adventure book, where at the end of every chapter, you get to pick what happens next. Every decision you make leads to a different outcome, and each outcome exists in its own separate universe. So, the multiverse theory suggests that there could be countless other universes out there, each with its own set of rules and possibilities. In one universe, you might be a famous astronaut, while in another, you could be a superhero or a famous artist. But how does this relate to time travel? And can we truly change the past? Time travel is a complex concept, and there are various theoretical approaches to it. One possibility involves wormholes, hypothetical shortcuts through space-time that could connect different points in time. Another concept is based on traveling at nearly the speed of light. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not constant and can change depending on how fast you're moving relative to others. This phenomenon is known as time dilation. Imagine you and your friend each have a super-fast spaceship, and you decide to have a space race. Your friend's spaceship moves at nearly the speed of light, while yours remains at a more leisurely pace. As your friend's spaceship approaches the speed of light, something strange happens. Time for your friend starts to slow down compared to yours. This means that while your friend may experience only a few minutes passing, you might see hours or even days pass by on your spaceship. In other words, the faster you move, the slower time ticks for you compared to someone who is at rest. This might sound like science fiction, but it has been experimentally proven and is a fundamental aspect of our understanding of the universe. While these ideas are intriguing, they all come with their own set of paradoxes, like the famous grandfather paradox. Picture this: you build a time machine and go back in time to prevent your grandparents from meeting, but if you succeed, then your parents would never have been born, and subsequently neither would you. So how can you exist to go back in time in the first place? The multiverse theory could provide an elegant solution to paradoxes like the grandfather paradox. When you alter the past, you create a new branch in the multiverse, which allows you to exist without affecting your original reality. In this scenario, you wouldn't change your past. You'd simply create an alternate reality with a different timeline, keeping the original intact. The concept of time travel gets even more mind-bending when we consider the existence of time machines in the multiverse. Perhaps in some parallel reality, a civilization has mastered time travel, creating gateways to visit different points in history. Could we one day receive a visitor from the future or encounter someone from our past? Suppose time travel becomes a reality. Should we use it to change the past? The temporal prime directive, akin to the one in Star Trek, raises a profound ethical dilemma. Should we tamper with the course of history, potentially erasing significant cultural, social, or scientific achievements, or should we respect the natural flow of time? If we could change the past, even the smallest things we do might cause big things to happen. The idea of butterfly effect says that even a seemingly insignificant event, like a butterfly flapping its wings, can start a series of events that have a big impact on other things far away. It shows how small actions can have surprising and widespread effects. For example, the flap of a butterfly's wings in Brazil might lead to a tornado in Texas. It illustrates how seemingly insignificant actions can have far-reaching and unexpected effects. The time traveler's paradox questions the nature of individual identity in a world of multiple realities. If you travel back in time and change history, you might return to a reality where you never existed before. How would it feel to be a stranger in a world that should have been your own? The idea of multiple universes and changing the past may seem far-fetched, but it has gained considerable support within the scientific community. However, the lack of concrete evidence makes it a fascinating and hotly debated topic. As we journey through the complexities of the multiverse and time travel, we are left with more questions than answers. Remember, the universe is vast, and the mysteries it holds are even greater. Keep dreaming, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this mind-bending adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content like this. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to explore next. Until then, stay curious and keep dreaming big. See you in the next mind-expanding journey.